How to sync beats in CapCut. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to sync beats in CapCut. So first, just drag and drop your audio file just like this, and you can just trim it out according to your video size or video length. So what I'll do next is mute the video sound that is of a video file so that we can hear the sound file only. So I'll simply select the sound file and simply enlarge it so that we can see the beats line as well. And in most of the cases there might be yellow lines or yellow dot, but here I have only this pink line, so I'll simply adjust to it based on my song choice. So I can also trim out the video just like this so that I can match it perfectly with the perfect length just like that, so that it will match to the beats as shown below in the audio file just like that. So once you are done, you can simply trim out the larger or unnecessary part as well, just like this. And the next thing what you want to do is just click on your audio file and just click on this shield icon over here and just select the beat. You can just upgrade or downgrade the beat just like that, and you can simply play the video with the audio as well. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.